Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how you can send direct messages to someone directly from their profile using the Instagram app on your PC. This feature has been updated recently, so if you usually use Instagram on your computer, this step-by-step guide will make things super simple. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once it loads, you'll notice the familiar layout, but the key options are slightly updated. Look over on the left-hand side, where you'll find the menu bar with different icons. Here, you'll want to click on the search option. Next, type in the name of the person you want to message. As you start typing, their profile should appear in the results below. Select their profile to open it up. This is where the update makes starting a conversation much quicker and easier. At the top of their profile page, you'll see a button labeled Message. Simply click on it, and a new chat window will open instantly. You don't need to navigate through your inbox separately. You can begin right here from their profile. Now, in the reply area of that chat window, type the message you want to send. This can be anything from a quick hello to something more detailed. Once you've written your message, take a moment to make sure it looks the way you want, and then click Send. Your message will instantly be delivered, and the conversation thread will now appear in your inbox for future messages. From there, you'll be able to keep chatting with them whenever you'd like, just as you would on the mobile app. This new update is designed to make messaging more accessible on PC, cutting down extra steps and letting you connect faster. Whether you're using Instagram for personal conversations, networking, or business communication, the ability to start a message directly from someone's profile saves time and keeps things straightforward. And that's it. You've now learned exactly how to send direct messages from profiles on the Instagram app for PC using the latest update.